Hello, all. Here we are gonna. This is for the discussion board for this week. Chapter 6 is about currency devaluation, currency between the countries, and then we know that I discussed about President Trump has started a trade war with China, Mexico, and Canada. I want to know whether this trade war is going to impact my company, which is Amazon. As you all know, you are assigned one company. You have to go and put this information and find out that if this trade war, the trade war has already started. One thing I wanted to know first, I wanted to know if Amazon is exposed to currency fluctuations because now the prices of the US dollar is going to go up or down, and the Mexican peso is going to go up or down, or Canadian dollar is going to go up or down. And I want to know what is the impact of this trade war. One of the questions I have is, does Amazon have exposure to currency fluctuations because of this trade war? And here is ChatGPT is telling me, and in fact is that yes, Amazon has significant exposure. Why? Because it has significant operation in other countries. Excuse me, particularly in euros, yen, which is Japanese, currency, and rupees. And rupees are for Indians. Therefore, I want you to do this research about your company. Instead of Amazon, if you are assigned, for example, Walmart, you say Walmart here to see if it is, and highlight and put the ChatGPT, the questions for ChatGPT in yellow. And then when ChatGPT, answers, highlight the important part of ChatGPT's answer in green. Also, put your own comment that you do the research and find, you'll find out in blue. Then these are what I, added. Then I went and, ChatGPT came and it said something about AWS. I didn't know what. Imagine you don't know what AWS is. You take that one again, ask ChatGPT that, I don't know about Amazon Web Services. Can you explain? Then ChatGPT comes and tells you what, Amazon Web Services, are. And then you highlight the ones that important part of it in green. That way, to show that you have reviewed this. And then again, after you did that, you put your comment, put something, add something of your own in blue. And then again, come back and again ask another question similar to that. How much Amazon revenues are generated outside of the US? Does the Trump trade war with Canada, Mexico impact Amazon's revenues, expenses, and what are the potential benefits of the trade war for Amazon? Then ChatGPT came and said that Amazon has this much revenues, 68%, two-thirds of it, traded in US, and then it has some revenues in other countries, like, in Japan, 26 billion, United Kingdom, Germany, and the rest of it from the world. This part of Amazon revenues, is subject to currency fluctuation. And then here is my comment. Again, you go there and continue asking. Look at these yellow ones. Don't be shy if you want to put these yellow ones, because suddenly it told me that Amazon has two competitors in the US. One of them is Shein and one of them is Temu. I didn't know what they are. I asked Amazon or ChatGPT what these companies are. And it told me, about these companies. And again, I went there and I continued asking more questions. I want you to ask similar questions. And then come back and put the ChatGPT's answers here, highlight for them, for me, and also write your comments of what you understood from it and post it in discussion board just like last time in three formats. First, post this one on the discussion board. Put the link of ChatGPT for the students who wanted to know about this, and also attach this Word document as one of the documents. Therefore, in order to do that, we have to see three formats. One of them, post the colored thing on the discussion board for students to see, post it as an attachment as Microsoft Word, and also put the link to ChatGPT. That way we can, those of students who cannot open the link, go to ChatGPT and see what you have done. If you don't know how to do this assignment, wait until other students do and follow the same standards.